Hello, what would you like to order? Can I please have a watermelon that was microwaved? Yes, sir, coming right up.
Yes, what is his order? A watermelon that was microwaved. Yes, I will comply for the memes. Do not look in the fridge.
Oh, heck no! No!
Oh no, I forgot. Troll faces become more powerful if they stand in that pose in order. A watermelon that was microwaved. I will defeat you and ruin your pose.
Epic battle music.
Ah, I beat you. Now give me more people to be in this video.
No.
At least no one found the body in the back.